Hello, kids. Let's learn a color's name. What color is this? This is a red. Red like an apple. Red like a rose. What color is this?
This is a blue. Blue like an umbrella. Blue like a ball.
What color is this?
This is a yellow. Yellow like a banana. Yellow like a sun.
What color is this?
This is green. Green like a parrot. Green like a frog. What color is this?
This colors is a orange. Orange like a pumpkin. Orange like a orange. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share my channel.